Hello guys, I'm here at Matina together with my kids, Alicia Faye and Van Joseph. How are you? I hope that everyone and everybody is doing fine. Right now we are watching a movie. As you can see, right here. That's my daughter. She's very beautiful, but she's funny. And that is my youngest son, and his name is Van Joseph. Look what we are watching. We're watching a Karate Kid. Okay, Karate Kid. Ate, how old are you?
7.
She's 7 years old. What is your favorite color?
Purple.
Okay, Bukoy. Let me ask you. 1 plus 1 equals?
2.
Uy, very good. He knows.
1, 2,
Smart.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Ah. Ate, 2 plus 2.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
Wow, she's smart also. Okay. So, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy our short vlog. God bless you and have a great day. Goodbye.